this video, I'll be showing you how to get and set custom alarm sound on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. The first thing you can do is use any song from Apple Music. So what you want to go ahead and do is open up your native clock application, and then you're going to see all your different alarms. Now, what you want to do is make sure you're on the alarm tab, which is the second tab anyway. And then once you go to the top of it, you're going to see edit on the top left corner, or tap the plus icon. So what we're going to do is go ahead and tap the plus icon, and then you're going to see sound as one of the options. Now at this point, it says songs. You can pick a song. Go ahead and press that, and then it says music purchased in iTunes or added from your computer are going to appear here. So if you have connected your iPhone previously to your computer and you transferred over any, of your music, it's going to appear right here, and then you can select it for you to use it as an alarm. And then after that, you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other tutorials on the channel as well.